Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amulya's Academy. We were discussing about matplotlib package and in the previous tutorial we discussed about the legend function. Today we'll discuss about the few keyword argument which allows us to change the looks of the legend or the legend properties. First we'll discuss about title keyword argument. Next we'll discuss about border pad keyword argument. Next, we'll discuss about label spacing keyword argument. So first we'll discuss about the title keyword argument. This title keyword argument helps us to set a title to the legend, and this keyword argument takes none or string as the value. String is nothing but the title. Whatever title you want to give to the legend, you can mention that. And if you take title as none, that is the default value, then legend won't contain any title. So let's see the example for this. So let's see how to set the title for the legend. So for that we need to use the title keyword argument. Title equal to, you can mention any title. For example, something my legend, any string, okay. Now here we can see my legend. This is the title to the legend. If you didn't mention any title or if you take title as none, it won't give any title to the legend. Here we can see. So to set a title to the legend, we need to use title keyword argument. And also we can change the font size of this title. For example, now here we can see the title font size. Now if you want to change that, you can use title font size keyword argument, that is title underscore font size. If I take it as 20, here we can see my legend. We can change the legend title font size using title font size keyword argument, or you can take the string value also. For example, extra small. Here we can see. So for the title font size, you can take int value or the float value or the string value. That is extra small, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. So in this way we can set the title to the legend as well as we can change the font size of that title. Next we'll discuss about the border pad keyword argument. So this border pad keyword argument allows us to change white space inside the legend border. It will take float or none. Default value is none. So that means it will take a preset value. If you want to change the border pad, then you can give any floating value. So let's see the example for that. So for now, I won't take any value for the border pad. It will take the default value. Here we can see the space between the border and the label or the entries. Now if I take border pad as 10, if I mention 10, it will take the float value 10.0. and now here we can see the space between these entries and the border. If you want to increase that, then we can use the border pad. So if I take it as 3, here we can see. So using border pad, we can increase or decrease the space between the entries and the border. Next we'll discuss about the label spacing. Label spacing keyword argument either take float value or none. Default value is none. That means it will take a preset value. This keyword argument allows us to change the vertical space between each entry. So we can change the vertical space between legend entries using this label spacing keyword argument. So let's see the example for this. So I'll take label spacing as 3. So now here we can see the space between each entry, this vertical space between each entry. If you didn't take this, it will take the default value, that is a preset value. We can see here. If you want more space, you can give it as okay, like this. So to change the vertical space between each legend entry, we can use the label spacing keyword argument. So this title, border pad, label spacing, each keyword argument allows us to change the looks of the legend or the legend properties. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.